Alright, so today we're working on this Toro mower. And the problem is this wheel is a little wobbly. I'm trying to figure out why the wheel was so wobbly. And that's the problem. We have a crack on the wheel. These front wheels are damaged. They look like the rubber's coming out. So we have some wheels off of another mower that we had. And as you can see, the rubber's not coming off. And the threads look way better. That one is kind of bald. So we're gonna swap these wheels over real quick. It's only one bolt on here. So all you gotta do is get a 1/2 inch, or I think it's a 14 or a 13. Unscrew the bolt, pop the other wheel on. Alright. It was that easy. 4 bolts. 1 bolt on each wheel. This is the old ones. This is the old ones. These are used, but they still like that.